I'd like to begin by extending my congratulations to Minister Helen McEntee, her husband Paul and their extended family on the arrival of their new baby boy. COVID-19 has had a huge impact on the mental health of the nation. There's no doubt about it. In a year filled with so much isolation, how could our mental health not be affected? In a year of restricted funerals, how could there not be a tailback of grief? The Irish Medical Journal recently reported on an Irish study that found significant increases in depression, anxiety and stress amongst Irish people between March and June of last year. That was just a couple of months into restrictions. And sadly, we're now a year into this pandemic, and I have no doubt that the number of people struggling with their mental health has only increased. This last year has tested us all like no other, and I know that it's been a very dark time for very many people. But that is why it is so important to remember the reasons for hope. And we all expect good news and hope later today from the government. With the vaccine rollout reaching more people every day and normal life gradually resuming, I truly believe there are many reasons to hope. I'm part of a volunteer-led Corca Park Darkness into Light committee, a group of really amazing volunteers. We were due to have our first Darkness into Light fundraising walk last year in Corca Park. But for a second year running, instead, we'll be celebrating virtually by watching the sunrise on May the 8th. And we'll be turning all of our volunteers' villages, Lucan, Clondalkin and Rathcoole, yellow to mark the occasion and to spread the message that after darkness comes light, a message more apt today than ever before. For all those who are suffering right now, I'd like to take this opportunity to remind you and to reassure you that this will end. We are seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. It's okay not to be okay, but the most important thing is that you ask for help.